Hello everyone. Today I will be teaching you how to find out the square root in a very easy way. For that, we need to know the square of 20 numbers. 1 square equal to 1, 2 square equal to 4, like that you have to know till 20 square. And there are some basic rules like the square number, if its last digit is 1, if the square number's last digit is 1, then the square root will be ending with 1 or 9. If the square number's last digit is 4, then the square root will be 2 ending with 2 or 8. Same way, if the square number ends with 6, the last number of the square root will be 4 or 6. 9, if the square number ends with 9, then the square root number will end with 3 or 7. If the square number ends with 5, then the square root will end with 5. For example, if we have 16, square root of 16 is 4. So, the square number ends with 6, the square root of that number ends with 4 or 6. In this case, it is 4. Now I will explain you with some examples. The first example is root of 841. So 841, root of 841 we have to find out. And in this case, we have to segregate the two numbers, last two numbers, and keep the first number as it is. So for the first number, we have to find out the nearest square number. So in this, the 8, the nearest square number is 2 square. Nearest lesser number, not the greater number, lesser number. That is 2 square, that is 4. So, we have to write that 2 here. Nearest lesser number, square number for this 8 is 4. And that 4's square root number is 2. So, I am writing it here. And then, we have to, so now 2 is fixed. And then the last digit is 1, so it could be ending with 1 or it could be ending with 9. Any one number could be the last digit. So how to find out that? This 2 is there, no? So that 2 multiplied by the next number. What is 2's next number? That is 3. So that is 6. So 2 is, we have taken the 2 from here, multiplied by the next number, 2 into 3, that is 6. That 6 is lesser than this 8. 6 is lesser than 8. In that case, we have to go for the higher number. We have two numbers, 1 and 9, but we got 6 which is lesser than 8, so we go for 9. So root of 841 is 29. I'll give you one more example. The second example, root of 144. So in this, again we will segregate the last two numbers and remaining we have 1. 1 is 1 square is 1. So here we have to write the first digit as 1. Now 44. So 1 is already fixed. 4, the last digit of this is 4. That means in the square root number, it could be ending with 2 or it could be ending with 8. These two options are there. We have to find out which one will be coming here. So take this one, multiply by the next number, then you will get 2. This 2 is greater than this 1. This 2 is greater than 1. That means you have to go for the smaller number, that is 2, that is 12. That is root 144 is equal to 12. These are for 2-digit numbers. I will give you for these are for 3-digit numbers. I will give you for examples for 4-digit number also. Third example, root of 1156. So here also as usual, we will take the last 2 digits and remaining will be segregated. 11. 11 is the first 2 numbers. So what is the nearest square number for 11? That is 9. 9 is the nearest square number for 11. So the square root will be 3. So I will write that 3 here. Now that 3, so now we know 3 is fixed. Now we have the last digit is 6. That means it will be, this square root number will be ending with either 4 or 6. We have to find out which number. So we have to double this number 3. We have to multiply that number with the next number 3 into 4. 3 into 4 is 12. This 12 is greater than this 11. The first two digit is there, no? This 12 is greater than 11. That means we have to choose the smallest number possible, that is 4. So square root of 1156 is equal to 34. One more example I will give you. Fourth example, root of 2116. Root of 2116. Here also first last two digits we will segregate and remaining digit 21 is there. For that 21, what is the nearest square number? So here 16 is the nearest square number. The square root is 4. So for the first two numbers I have written 4. So 4 is fixed. Now we have the last digit is 6. 6 means again the possibilities are 4 and 6. Now 4 multiplied by the next number, that is 5, which is 20. This 20 is lesser than the first two numbers, that is 21. That means we have to go for the higher number, that is 6. So root of 2116 is 46. One more example I will give you. Root of 9801. So here also last two digits we will segregate and go for this 98 and check in your table 98 where it is falling. It is nearest to 81, that is the square of 9. So we will write 9 here. So 9 is fixed. After that the last digit is 1. 1 means either it will be 1 or it will be ending with 9. So now multiply this 9 with its next number, which is equal to 90. 9 into next number, that is 10. 9 into 10, 90, which is lesser than 98. That means here we have to go for the higher option, that is 99. So 9801 is the square root of 99. Now I will give you one example of 5-digit number also. Root of 16384. What is the square root of 16384? Here also same thing. The last two digits we will segregate. Now remaining we have 163. Check in your table what is the nearest number for 163, that is 12 square. 12 square is 144. So I will write that 12 here. So 12 is fixed and after that the last number is 4. So it could be either 2 or 8. We have to find out which one. So now 12 into the next number 13, which will be equivalent to 156. 156 is lesser than 163. We have taken 3 digits, no? So 163. So we have to go for the higher number 8. So root of 16384 is 128.